So we're gonna do a first job. I got the tensioner replaced. So let's back up. Let me fix my seat real quick. Car's not warmed up, but at least I get to do a first drive. And I think one of the pulleys is bad, but car feels pretty good. Does need alignment though. But other than that, car feels smooth. So I'm gonna do a U-turn here. Alright, so gonna go back to the house. And I'm only up the block. So now all I gotta do is get this windshield replaced. I'm waiting for that front bumper to come in, and then all I gotta do is wait on DMV, and then I can start driving this and do some more videos instead of it just sitting in my driveway. But once I get this back to the house, I'm gonna figure out which pulley that noise is coming from. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.